Hey everybody, Mike here. We got the DEWALT FLEXVOLT leaf blower here today I wanted to go over. Now this is model DCBL772, and you can pick this up as just a bare bones tool, or you can get it as a kit. So come with this FLEXVOLT 60 volt 9 amp hour battery. It's actually a 9 amp / 3 amp hour battery. It's this big beefy beast right here that this thing takes. DEWALT's really done a great job with this model. It's far better than the model that was out previously to this. What's really cool about this one is it's a straight through design, so your air actually sucks in from back here. It doesn't have to make any turns or twists before it goes straight back out. So you're drawing all your air from here, and it kind of works like a jet turbine, and it just takes the air and shoots it straight out through the tapered end here, which is what creates your velocity here at the end. So you're getting roughly 600 CFM here at 125 mile an hour at the end of your blower here, which is pretty dang good if you ask me. Now what's really cool about these, I've got a still gas powered leaf blower as well in my other garage that I keep, and I use that quite a bit if I know I'm going to be using it for any period of time. Now something like this here with the fully charged battery, you're probably going to be looking at around maybe 10 to 12 minutes of runtime before you're dead. So keep that in mind. This is a great, just pick it up and go. If you just got to do a little bit of sidewalk cleanup or some grass clippings or whatnot as you get done mowing the grass. What I end up using this thing a lot for is in here in the shop. If I get done sweeping up all the big debris in here, I'll just open the big bay door and I'll blow everything right out that garage door out into the driveway real quick. And this works great for that. Something else to keep in mind too, a lot of your big time landscapers, commercial landscapers that are in and out of these neighborhoods, some of these neighborhoods have restrictions where you can't run anything gas powered till a certain time in the morning. So if they're out there before that time frame, or they gotta follow certain rules, you can actually still get away with using these blowers here because they don't make near the amount of noise. They're still noisy, don't get me wrong, but they don't make near the amount of noise as some of your gas, like your backpack blowers and whatnot do. So this is more like a supplemental tool that a lot of your landscapers might use. But I'll tell you, this thing's got a million uses for me. It's nice to just be able to pick this one up and go instead of having to grab the gas blower when I don't necessarily need that. And something else nice about this one too is the kids can get out and help me as well. Because it's so much lighter than my gas powered, they can actually go out and help me as well, and it makes them feel useful, helps me out, and it's a little bit more manageable for them. Having this battery back here in the back like it is, that's kind of blocking the intake on the air inlet, will help keep articles of clothing or something like that getting sucked up in here and damaging your turbine on your blower. I've been really impressed with this model since DEWALT came out with it. It's been a great all-around unit for us to have here on the farm. We've been really impressed with it, and I really do think DEWALT's done a good job with this one.